no. I want that answer you one of your questions certification. Who's the winning champion the Eternal Combustion Engine Rap Tournament? What the fuck are those three? Don't know what those three are. None wait.
Correct answer.
Puta 80 degrees bedrock na naman anak.
Did you go to a music festival without us?
Ganun mo match 7 pound. Isog naman ang paldo naman ako. Ano yung kate ko cancer 88 degree cancer. Oh fuck. Oh, adaman adiman. Nakita so just one and see some anything new up in this item in my backpack. No nagko Nadiwakan yun is na 88 degree sleep. Ala, may na naman iniwido na A microcrystalline unit to be connected to which component? Di mo na maawam sinina question na Oh wait. Ano to? Logic. No, wait. Then listen to any one of those conversations na naman. God, anyone just please stop doing this. Okay, I'll go back and then I'll do this one again. Ade, anak ko number 1 ano ka.
Question. Terrible answer. Cut me in a bad mood. Let's do this.
Was hit sync, what the oh my god, what? Okay, be right back for some more battling of combustion. Asahaw die. Yana. Puta.
Coming right up.
So irresponsible, irritable, but not you. Do yourself a door bangers. Gotta please stop doing the No, ito naman ito. Follow my failure sa my Asian dad. Great, here we go again. Don't allow this battle. What about if I just do this one to him? Make This might take like how many minutes? Maka short time na short sentence na mauna ito. You want to give me something? Tapat! Okay, where did this thing come from? Guys, if cockroach kills me, I'm done with it. Okay, why don't you just give me a smell of a rat? Ay, kanya na sa akong 6-7 na emoji. O, di ka pa mamatay, o, di na, o, sa pasaho, I guess that took me like 2 hours naman na. Naman na makabattle ha. Ako naman ang una pa, o ko na sa papapatan naman na naman.